All right, today is Zippo Saturday. We're going to take a look at a commemorative Zippo. Now this is the commemorative of victory in Europe and Japan. It is the 75th anniversary commemorative, and it was in 1945. It's got some information on the back. It's a limited edition. It's a genuine Zippo made in USA. Let's take a look at it. This has a little booklet along with it. Victory in Europe was May 8th, 1945. Japan, September 2nd, 1945. Now this Zippo has a special bottom stamp, and it is interesting because it is a steel case Zippo, and it does have all the information in here about steel case. There's a presentation box, very nice. 75 years was in 2020. And the bottom looks like that, steel 2020. And the interesting part about this is most Zippos are brass, like this one. This is a very collectible brass Zippo made in 2013. Command insignia, one of my favorite. Here's another pretty plain Zippo brass, and quite a few are made with the chrome finish over the brass body. You can see this brass on the inside, and it's just got the chrome plating on the outside. But this one right here, the 75th anniversary from 1945. It's got that crackle black finish, and this one is 15,607 out of 40,000. Black crackle finish all the way around, except on the bottom. The bottom stamp says 2020, and it is stamped steel, and it's also stamped Bradford, PA, made in USA. Here's a little magnet, so you can see it's a real steel Zippo. See how this one performs. Lights up nice, even with the overhead fan going. Let's do a drop test on this 75th commemorative. So this one passes the drop test. It's a very nice one, highly collectible, steel body Zippo, made in USA, and it deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bop.